So I'm skipping the Galaxy Note 10 this year, but I'm aiming to work more on the go, especially for creating social media and YouTube content. So I've decided to give the Galaxy Tab S6 a try and see if it can replace my laptop, but more on that in another video. This is my unboxing and first impressions about this tablet that should be competing with the iPad Pro and the new iPad OS. This is a 4G version of the Tab S6 with 256 gigs of storage and 8 gigs of RAM, although I wish there was a more powerful 12 or 16 gigs of RAM version since phones are already hitting that milestone. Okay, this is a tablet itself, let's put it on the side. First you get the S Pen, which is way bigger than the Galaxy Note S Pen and surprisingly lightweight. You get the charger brick, a USB-C cable, a SIM removal tool with some paperwork, a USB-C earbud since the headphone jack is gone. These look a little bit cheap, not the same one found on the Galaxy phones. And finally some S Pen tips replacement. Getting back to the tablet, I have the grey color. This is actually extremely lightweight, I didn't expect this. The edges are very thin at 5.7mm, in which there are 4 AKG tuned speakers, 2 on each side. Actually the tablet is even thinner than its S Pen. Of course there are the volume and power buttons and SIM/SD slot port. The back is aluminum made, 2 cameras that I guess I will not use, and of course the controversial S Pen spot for docking and charging. Well, when I first saw it in Samsung's event, I thought this is not the perfect S Pen spot for a couple reasons. I was right about the first one, which is the pen does not easily stick to the back. It is not a natural move because you're not seeing the spot. You need to get used to it and feel those magnets, and that needs time. Samsung added a little help by showing this notification when the pen is correctly docked. But I was wrong about the second one. I thought the tablet will be bouncing on a flat surface when the pen is docked, but it was not the case. The device didn't move at all like you're seeing. And for those worried about losing the S Pen, don't be. The magnets are really strong and shaking the tablet hard does not impact it. And if you got the cover, which I suggest you do, the S Pen will be much safer in this spot. And also subscribe to see the upcoming videos about the S Pen features. Enough with the S Pen and more to this 10.5 inches awesome display. I mean, no one can compete with Samsung when it comes to displays. I hope the bezels were slimmer, but not a big deal. Working on this tablet is very smooth, going from an app to another, navigating the web and achieving everyday tasks like emails is very convenient. Multitasking on the big screen now makes more sense. Also the S Pen accuracy helps a lot with some specific tasks. Of course, watching YouTube and Netflix video on this display is a joy, especially that the apps are optimized for this experience. The fingerprint scanner lays under the glass now, but it is an optical one. Not the ultrasonic found on the S10 and the Note 10, but it works fine and fast after getting used to the placement. Or you can use the front-facing camera for face unlock, which is fairly fast. With this tablet, Samsung is also betting big on DeX for a desktop-like experience, and I cannot wait to test it out more and give you my feedback. But first impressions, DeX is really helpful for more productive working and flexibility since you can open multiple windows and resize them and have a PC-like experience. I'm still waiting for the keyboard to arrive and I will give you more in-depth experience about that in future videos. So these were some first impressions. I'm planning to use this tablet for creating YouTube videos and see if it can replace my laptop. So tell me if you want to see a video about that and what else you'd like to see about the Galaxy Tab S6. Thanks for watching and catch you guys in the next one.